guys, welcome back to another episode of PopxoDaily Skincare Secrets. And in today's episode, I'm going to talk about a miracle ingredient, hyaluronic acid. I'm sure you all must have heard about this, but how many of us know why it's used? And most importantly, what is the correct way of using it? This ingredient has a lot of benefits, but it needs to be done and used correctly. I'm sure you have a lot of buzzing questions in your head right now, so I'm here to answer all of them. So let's not waste any more time and start with the video. So first thing first, what is hyaluronic acid? It's a naturally occurring sugar that's found in your body, and you mostly find it in your skin, joints and eyes. It is excellent for keeping your skin hydrated and has great water retaining properties. Second question, why do we need to incorporate hyaluronic acid in our skincare? Now, 50% of HA in our body is found in our skin. But after a certain age, the HA starts getting distributed to different parts of body. And that is the time where it needs to be topically applied. Because you need your skin to be hydrated and you want to replenish it. So as I just mentioned, HA is a naturally occurring substance in your body. So mostly all skin types can use it. Unless you have a certain skin problem, then obviously always contact your dermat. And the other thing is, if you have aging or dry skin, the results are going to be quicker and a little more obvious as compared to other skin types. Third very important thing, if you introduce any active ingredient in your existing skincare routine, just make sure that you do a patch test and slowly build resistance towards that product. So the best way to use HA on your skin is when it's damp, because it helps in locking the moisture and it keeps your skin hydrated. Then you have to follow it up with a moisturizer and a very good sunscreen. It's a must. HA can be easily paired with other active ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, salicylic acid, glycolic acid. The only thing that you have to make sure is you know what your skin concern is and why you're using a particular ingredient. When it comes to hyaluronic acid, make sure you go for a very good quality serum, and to begin with, go for a low concentration of the active. For example, this hyaluronic acid from MyGlamm has 3% hyaluronic acid, and this is a really good concentration that can be used every day. So this product is enriched with a lot of natural ingredients like kakadu plum, marine algae, and this creates a very holistic skincare product. So that was it, guys. Make sure you're consistent using this miracle ingredient to see long-lasting results. And when it comes to skincare, always remember to be patient. It takes time, but the results show. So let us know which other ingredient would you like us to cover in our next episode in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, don't forget to join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopxoDaily. Bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopxoDaily.